Hello there, and welcome to the video. Today we will be diving into some of the most common spices for a large part of the world, and why these ebony and ivory towers are paired together in much of Western cuisine. When it comes to salt, it's pretty easy to come up with the answer. We like the taste of salt innately, because salt is a signal of protein in nature. Humans also need salt to regulate fluid balance and help nerves and muscles function. Salt is also helped to preserve food before the days of refrigeration. Studies have shown that the more salt people eat, the more they crave it. Even in cultures or dishes where salt is not directly used, it finds its way into the food in other ways, like washing food in the ocean or soy sauce. So salt, of course, is a seasoning without question. When it's well used, salt manages to make food not taste salty, but more like itself. Almost everything we eat has sodium in it, and we have receptors on our tongues devoted to the taste. The human need for salt is so innate that it's only natural to adjust our dosage at the table. Black pepper is a flowering vine native to India. This one is a bit harder to explain, but salt and pepper were fated to end up together inevitably. It was a Frenchman, François-Pierre Laveran, France's first celebrity chef and a royal chef to Louis XIV, who encouraged people to combine the seasoning in the 17th century. It was said that King Louis XIV was a picky eater and didn't want seasonings to overpower the taste of his food. Laveran wrote the cookbook Le Cuisinier François, a revolutionary book instrumental in propelling French gastronomy into the modern era, and made a pivotal demarcation between serving savory and sweet dishes in a meal. Salted foods were eaten throughout the meal because they stimulate the appetite. Sweet plates were served at the end. They satiated the appetite and shut down the desire to eat. That little modification in the sequence of dining service changed the role of pepper in the kitchen. Now its realm has been confined to the savory. The pairing was a smash hit because pepper was the only spice that complemented salt and did not dominate the taste. The use of salt and pepper as tableside condiments has since spread throughout Europe and the Americas, though it's quite uncommon in Asia, where soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce are predominantly used as a sodium source. This was a short dive into why pepper and salt ended up together. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see another video, you can let me know in the comments which one. And if I don't see you again, have a wonderful life.